Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see, welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make a good platform. Yeah, So, like me go on that drama about we go on with the upper Blackwood Rasta. Another thing go on with that on Penance. Again, you know, Penance there on the level, same place out to spot Mount Imas there, you know. Just walk about a mile from Mount Imas. Scene. So out of Penance now, out there sort of crossroad where at the main road, you know, where the bus truck, everything. We go from Kingston to Spalding, from Spalding to Frankfield to Chapelton, you know, main road that. So we out of Penance one day. Big up Penance, anybody where they are Penance, if you watch the thing, big up yourself, just give a shout out in the comment section, Rasta. You know, see. So, you have a man named Roy Cole. You know? Roy Cole up on one side. At the main road there, so now he have a piece of property, you know? And he decided to build up a bar on the front there, so, you know, and he made to cross the road first, you know. When I man just got there. Because I have a little shop and bar across the road there, so he used to control that, you know, with a little land on the side of it and thing, you know. Right, cool. We was one of the man who I see with a prize ram goat, you know. Back in them early 80s there. Ram goat big, you know, Rasta. I tell you, and tall. You know. A whole heap of man I see carry for them little she goat come there for me with the ram goat there, you know, cause, you know, a prime goat that thing. But me don't know how that happen, cause look like them have to lift up all the she goat for anything go on. The way him big and up in the sky, cause you can walk over, just literally walk over the she goat, you know, before. See? So, right cool build up, acquired back the property across the road somehow, and build up a more up-to-date bar over there, you know, and land, dancehall land and thing, and well concrete and fence off and thing like that, well secure, you know, upstairs and, you know, all them places stairs like the land, upon a banking gone down, like gone down, you know, see, so now him build up the bar feet up on the road, but you have to come up from down the banking to come meet the road level, you know, street level. See? So you have the bottom floor them and thing like that, and on the back of the bar, you know, you have a big balcony around there where people can go sit down and relax, and then we're there and you can walk down, you know, downstairs, him level off down as best as him can now, level off down at the flooring and deck it off, concrete decking, you know, so the dancehall land now can have a, you know, yeah, so it level off and fence off and thing down in there, so the dancehall and them little way there. So time after time now, Roy Cole used to keep him little every weekend. Every weekend, as a matter of fact. Call one time, and that's the first me see 1 foot go. Carry. No disrespect, cause she at work. She at work, you know, see it. Yeah, we have to allow them, make them do them thing. Particularly in them time, they call things dirty tough, you know. But that's when I say a 1 foot go, you know, and she a star. And that more I tell you, because when people hear say the 1 foot go are coming, you know, in the full of people to see how that happen or how that go on and things like that. You know, she get her respect and her support so that she can go home and take care of what she needs to take care of and them career. You know, see. So, and the night a big dance I keep in there. We can't, I don't remember which sound I play in there, but the night, you know, is like well restricted. Because even when 1 foot go coming in, it's so restricted. You can't, you know, get a blind at the gate somewhat, somehow. You know, you're dead and your toe say away till a man turn him back or turn sideways or shift the wrong way. You just slip under him foot or slip through and gone and them way. And then them time they know the security them are usually local youth, you know, like the gate staff are with the local youth and them way. So the whole we know one another, same way. So if you get past, you know, man now gonna run you down and then start sitting there. You know, man just love you, but try not go back out, cause if you go back out, you can't come back in. Now we did have another like style now where we make up and make one man pay. The one man the pay go in and thing and when him come back. As him when him pay, him get him stamp, him not go in, him just turn back and say, me so come. And a man there right behind him with them short sleeve roll up and thing and a wait pan him, you know, and him before the stamp dry, him just goes bap and squeeze it on pan here and you know, work it in and when you're done, you stamp too, you know, and him stamp too. So you 2 man stamp. See? Now we have another little bridging now. Can't remember what him name. Can't remember which one of the bridging them. But him usually have some pen. You know, see, different color pen too, you know. And this a man who goes and look on the stamp. One time in Rasta. One time in look on the stamp and just goes, and when you look, you stamp too. You know, see, gate man not bright enough or think it you know. Yeah, it's a stamp that can gate man look for the details when you show him say, yeah man, me did in there. Boop. And push that in him face. Him look and see say the right coloring them dead in the right areas. And I say, hey man, boss, I'm gone in. You know, see. So we did have various ways where we try to get in a them dance, the Rasta. So that particular night, you know, a big dance I keep in there, me and my brethren, you know, my little brother. My brother, him older than me, him older than me. See, not my blood brother, you know, but like me I tell you, say, mother send we go down, they go stay with a lady and thing, and the lady have some son, and the whole of we just integrate and live as brother. For the most of the community just know we as brothers. You know, all when we not resemble, like where you don't know, we have different father, because them are brother and another whole of them look identical neither. You know, see? So, you know, them have with a way the Rasta. Plus me and the one that were closer in age, and the two are closer, the 2 are apart. You know, see? I'm say, you know, it's a whole experience, because we find ourselves at the dance, regardless of how. We plan for go and reach. You know, see? And we have a little girlfriend them, you know. See, we have a little girlfriend them. I know nothing sexual or nothing like that, you know. We just like, that's just so, you know, see it. And we are going, but to the way we are going now is to the way the building make, and some little town boy again in a Rasta. We find a way how we can go in, you know, and plan our way for going in, you know, easy without nobody knowing, you know. And the way we do it now, you know, when them cast the first floor, you know, them left off. I don't remember if a cantilever them call a little edge there or what, but you have a little edge. See, just right at the beginning of the first floor, where the first floor I start. You know, see it. And Me and my brethren find a way now where we can get ourselves in. So what we are doing now is we face the wall, cause that little lip there come right out at the roadside. Right extend to the full length of the building in Rasta. See? So me and my brethren now we just face the wall, cause we design how we are going in Rasta. And we face the wall and we just a shimmy our way across, little by little, make a step and, step cross until that now lead right to the back balcony, what I explained earlier. See? And we reach there, so now we just, a little low balcony, little low thing that we just step over that and we go, we're up on the balcony with everybody else. I enjoy ourselves. Some little youth, I'm saying we are young teenager. Like 13, 14, 15 and them really, see. And see me I go cross, but in myself, me say, oh, one chance, see. Yeah, me not behave like say, well then, because I know me I do something illegal as far as everybody is concerned. See? Now my brethren now, he is like more cavalier guy, more out the guy, flary type guy. See, I mean happy, This knows there's a guy who more, vocal and vibrant and out there. See, me's a man is less, me's a man more reserved. See? So me a shimmy I go cross me there front and him a follow I come. See? So you barely can turn your head in the rasta, you have to stop, and balance, because if you shift your head the wrong way, you unbalance and drop off. See? So while me a shimmy I go on and I watch me I go, now I watch my brethren I come. Me hear some girl I call we. See, our girl them. See, so me turn on and look now my brethren look too. See, because I don't know if I follow the boy, follow where I come, guy, So, my brethren turn back. I didn't even know say turn back, Rasta, and go and chat to them. See? And when I turn back for go chat to them now, because I never reach very far. Rather than turn back with him now, I say, yo, come man, I want to tear up and come. You see? And him go so up and turn around back and, deal with them like him laugh with them 2 times and rotate whatever and jump back on the little ledge. And a shimmy a come across to some sister him a follow on again, see. And halfway through, me have a little commotion behind me again. See like a little screaming, a little shouting and thing like that. So I man go so and look around, stop again and look around in a Rasta. See, I see my brethren on the side. See, when I see 2 man stand up down there so I ground in a Rasta. And stand up over a body. See? And like them hold the foot at the body and I shake it and I move like so well them. So work out and look and realize say I'm a bridging to blur out down there and conscious star. See it? So I shimmy my way around, finish shimmy my way to the balcony and jump off and run round and come round and walk on, And the big man, I call the owner for the property. Him a one of the man who stand up over the youth, And a cuss and I go on the most way, and if I stop rotate and play, and I go on ignorant and the most way in a Rasta. Long story short, now I call jump up. You and him friend, me don't know which one of them jump up and grab the man foot and draw him down on the concrete, man. The man drop and lick him head. Bow! See it? Because him could even hide it. Everybody see what happened. See it? And think about it, like me I tell you the youth about, we don't know when I was 16, and a big thick man, them could have catch him, Them could have catch him in them hand Rasta. Them purposely make the man drop on the concrete and lick him head. And still, I move away like so well and them now remorse to reach the youth in a Rasta. I say, I go around there and the man them a deal and a hack away like he's a big, strong thief. Them catch a thief a cow. I saw the two man them down there moving a Rasta. That's, you know, I start getting mad and I say, yo, what I say get mad, you know? I start hack away, concerned, hysterical, all a ball. Funeral move the man and carry him to the hospital Rasta and still there stand up over the man after half kill him. Cause the man conscious and I bleed. The man head, face and everything just start swell. The man recognizable. If I never me and him up on the wall and I know say I him that, I'm dressing close coloring. Me see, I realize say I him there ground. See? Eventually, the guy go for him car. I will put the youth in the boy car, you know. I tell you, say, some more time, man, live down some things where some people feel appreciate love cause that boy, me met that boy that live out in days, you know. Cause shortly after that, I have to left. I have to left down there, you know, not because of him or anything, cause the community, the whole community, you know, I'm kind of compassionate towards I and I, same way, you know. But to the boy or a rich boy, you know, and them in a different category, usually in a different categories for themselves. See? Eventually, he put the virgin in him car. He have one of them big Chevy. Big green Chevy, you know, green and black Chevy. He put the youth in the car back star and supposed to drive with the youth and I got Spalding Hospital. Not Spalding, Chapelton Hospital, which is about 4 to 5 miles down the road. Yeah. And believe you me, the longest drive that of my life. Come like I ride across the island where I drive. Cause you don't know I'm a virgin. And my sister him unconscious all the way. Heading on my lap and thing like that and him a swell and the two of them in the front seat and me and him there on the back there and them way the star. That's be intimidation, the boy them intimidate me as a youth, you know. I tell them say me not tell nobody say and them drive man just say I drop him drop an accident and I drop him drop off and them way there, you know. Remember, you know. Basically like them want to say una a thief, wanna do, you know, and I saw the guy them a go on in a Rasta in the car back. That's eventually we reach the hospital still and we get him in. Cause I never remember, I can't even remember of them helping me to really get him in the hospital and get assistance and them way there in a star. Yeah, they will. See, and Virgin get admitted and thing like that and we can't do nothing more. See, I have to just come back home now for one, the elder them, the parents, them and thing like that. See, and them carry me back. And them ride with come back from Chapelton Hospital, come back at Penance. See, when we reach back at Penance now, probably about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning there. You know, see, and you know, I man now have to head round me alone because the whole place dead now. Dance mash up from that happen. See? So I have to head round now. Me alone walk a mile like darkness then now. Go back a Mount Timers. To go tell him granny what go on, you know? Cause by this it look like him granny there and get the news, Rasta. Cause the mother there at Kingston at Hustle. She used to sell in the market and thing like that. You know, she a market woman. She at Kingston at the time. So I man have to head back round Rasta and make the granny know what happened, you know? No say her grandson there, you know. same house when we live in, you know. But, you know, to be gentle, I show you say life was never the same from that moment onwards. Because again, we have to walk back with her in the darkness there. Go out a penance there. Because she want to see right cool or see and hear what go on and explanation and thing like that. Because probably she never did that take mine. You know, see. You know, we'll go back out there and we don't see him and we have to walk, go back around and thing like that. You know, soon as daylight out again, you know, we have to head towards Chapelton Hospital to go see how we might do and them sort of thing there, you know. And we walk through the river course, you know, because the river runs straight down, you know. We walk through the river course. After time I go cross it and go cross and walk across a little piece of verge and thing. And then we cross it again, cross another verge. But just the river course we are go down, you know. We reach Chapelton Hospital start. Probably about 10 o'clock in the morning or 9:30 or something like that. And we reach. It's like somehow the youth regain consciousness while we're there, you know. And he must say, he want pee, you know, he want see? And the granny look for me and say, carry him up, make him pee. I come like not even, you know, toilet or essential bathroom never available, the facility never, probably don't know what happened, but even like under the advice of the nurse and thing like that, because to the Chapelton Hospital stay, you just go through the door and you're out in the yard. Just go through the door because them not big and a great big building and a department where it's just some, it's hard to explain. You know? I just carry him, just go down the little step this one, stand up in the yard and for him do him thing, you know? I said the man drop down upon me again out there in a rasta. Blood clot, me I tell you say, 3 days know, man. Man faint upon me again out the car. That little health center there it was. Them call it hospital, but it barely have the facility where Kingston clinics have. You know see it. The man drop down upon me again out them have to call for help and I'm gonna run out now and see the seriousness of everything and the nurse them and them way they realize about wait. You know? Them should even make him get up or nothing like that for say more piss. Them should have something for him pissing at. But we there up, you know, and we get him back inside and thing like that and them start some emergency business. But what inside the emergency is getting transportation for transport him from Chapelton now to Spalding, because Spalding look like it is a more, yeah, you know, up to date. But it's like them have more technicality up there where it can deal with him better. Nothing compared to KPH or none of them UA hospital there at Kingston, but you know, like a little bit more, you know. And them flash with him got Chapelton, got Spalding star. See? And him stay up there till him you know, people, you know, them go visit him time after time, because I man couldn't, as a youth, I man never able if you can go check him or go do him when it needs to be done. And it's kind of a trek from Mount Timers. So basically, from Penance to go Spalding, you know, because you have to take a bus go Frankfield and then take a bus from Frankfield go Spalding and them way there. You know? It's a little distant because the road them never good them time there. You know, see? But that's the main reason why I let me left. You know, come back at Kingston. Still visit time after time after, you know, but them time them say, you know, I take for myself, yes, and go home because it wasn't a case like say, well then, the rich guy I get the blame what him forget. You know, see, it's like me I get the blame to survive. You know, see it. Yeah. And me I get the blame for survive, Rasta, for not getting hurt. And the whole reason is because, reason why I don't get hurt is because we are the ledge pitch. We are the banking pitch down. Through my brethren turn back to talk to the girl them. When I come back, him still depend on reachable. You know, them can reach him from ground. But to I man did that continue. You know, I man depend on a higher level than where them could have jump and catch me. And to the music a blur and thing like that, we couldn't hear if them a shout we and tell us to turn back or nothing like that. Now, normally, them know we, you know. Yeah, man. Man, them know we good man. You know, see, the people them we interact with every day, right through the day and them things. That's why I tell you, say, even if them drag him down and him a drop, them could have catch him. You know, see, the next thing again, them could have waited till we reach in the dance and just come all the way by with the ears and throw we out back. You know, see. But for some reason, the man, them have some sick nature the day they were going Rasta way. Cause them did have to react that way there to innocent youth. I try find them way in for go get some entertainment, you know? Mash up my brethren star. Mash him up. Mash him up. Mash him up. For life. At least to scare them. I'm dropping them face. At least to scare them him have for life, Rasta. And like me I tell you, and a normal head injury, cause your face, your head for swell immediately, Rasta. You know, see. So it's another experience. I and I in the Clarendon there, you know? And I give thanks, Rasta, majestically.